So excited to have you all here today. I am going to teach you all how to create a YouTube thumbnail. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to visit canva.com. So we're going to type in canva.com in the link. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a design. We can either click on create a design, or we can type right here in the search button, YouTube thumbnail. Click on YouTube thumbnail. You'll get all these options that will appear. I'm going to create a blank YouTube thumbnail. Perfect. Excellent. And I want to create this blank YouTube thumbnail. I'm going to go to text. And now I really enjoy these fonts. I think these fonts are fun. So I like this font a lot. Action. It's also free. So now I'm going to change the color because I find the color a bit of a drag. So let's have some fun with the color. We can change it to purple, blue, this color. I think this is nice. Let's go with this one. And let's have a bit more, add more excitement to it, add effects to it. So, you know, with YouTube, we want bold colors. We want it to stand out. We want it to be accentuated and highlighted. So bright call of action. So here we go. You know what? I'm not really. So you can have fun with this. You can play around with the colors. I think this looks pretty cool. Yeah, I like this. See, this looks more like a marker, but it's a little cartoonish for me. I'll go back here. Let's click on this bold, just for the tutorial, so that we can see like a nice, yeah. See, I bet it's got some blurriness to it. Oh my God, my voice, what's happening to me? Okay, coming back to that. Let's just hit this. Okay, you got action. So how to create, and also you can resize here. Let's go to 104. How to create a YouTube thumbnail on Canva. Okay, and then again, we can resize. Yes, we want to put it right in the center. We want to extend, stretch it out a bit. How to create a YouTube thumbnail. Perfect. You can drive it down. We can actually, let's resize a bit more. We can have an 80. Yeah, how to create a YouTube thumbnail. Perfect. Now let's go to elements, let's go to YouTube. And this is free. We can use this right here. Voila. So now you've created your thumbnail. You know, you can add more elements if you'd like, but you don't want it to be too busy because then it gets confusing. So this is how I would do it. Now I'm again finding this font a bit boring. So again, we can have fun with it. All right, how to create a YouTube thumbnail. This is something that I actually used. This is that template. Perfect. Let's just 88. Yes, I like this. What do you all think? You can reduce the size here. How to create a YouTube thumbnail. Again, all about centering on Canva. Okay, so now we want to save. So let's hit the download button. First we can save, so let's hit save. You can also save it in a folder. You can create a folder if you'd like to do that. But for right now, we've already saved, so let's hit download. It's suggested that PNG is suggested. So you have different options, PNG, JPG, PDF standard, PDF print, MP4 video, so it would save as a video. And also you've got your GIF as well, like a short clip with no sound. Let's just save it as a PNG, download it. It's going to Download your design right here. Perfect. Now if I click here, open the file, show in folder, it's going to have my design. My design is right here, how to create a YouTube thumbnail on Canva. Okay, great. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to our YouTube channel. So let's click on YouTube. Video icon, create, clicking on upload video. And when you click on that upload video, it's going to take you to your select files. And when you go to your select files, it'll take you to the option of downloading your video. So our video right now is on Fluvid. That is the camera that I'm using right now. The video Chrome extension that I'm using right now for video recording is Fluvid. So what I would do is first I would upload the Fluvid video, which I'm using right now, and then I would include the YouTube thumbnail. But for right now, I'm just going to conclude that thumbnail. Open. It's not going to work because it's not a video file, obviously. And if I show you my other videos, you could get an idea of what it looks like. That's a better idea, right? Obviously. So here we go. So this is your thumbnail. You have that option, right? When you're creating that video. So this is the video used on Fluvid, and this would be the thumbnail. Okay, everyone, I hope this was helpful. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to subscribe. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Thanks. Bye.